Tired of your digital agency feeling like a circus instead of a well-oiled machine? Today, we're diving into how to tame the chaos and transform your agency into a project management powerhouse using Basecamp, streamlining workflows and delighting clients, all in just 90 seconds. First things first, create a project for each client or major initiative in Basecamp. Click the plus sign, name your project something clear and client-specific, and invite your relevant team members. Next, conquer task management by creating to-do lists. Within each project, break down large tasks into smaller, actionable steps, assigning each to a specific team member with a clear due date. This ensures accountability and prevents bottlenecks. Foster seamless internal communication. Using the message board, create threads for different topics, like project updates or creative brainstorming, keeping conversations organized and easily searchable. Ditch the endless email chains. Now, let's talk client communication and invite clients as guests to specific projects, granting them access to relevant to-do lists, documents, and discussions. This transparency builds trust and keeps everyone on the same page. Centralize all your project files in the Documents and Files section. No more hunting through shared drives or email attachments. Keep everything organized by creating folders for different file types or project phases. Utilize the Schedule feature to track milestones, deadlines, and important events. Setting reminders ensures nothing slips through the cracks, keeping your projects on track and your clients happy. Automate progress updates with automatic checking questions. Schedule recurring questions to be sent to team members, gathering insights on progress, roadblocks, and potential issues without constant pestering. Master the search function. Basecamp's powerful search allows you to quickly find any file, conversation, or task, saving you valuable time and frustration. And finally, save even more time by creating project templates for recurring projects. This allows you to quickly spin up new projects with pre-populated to-do lists, files, and settings, boosting efficiency and consistency. And that's it. By implementing these strategies, you can transform your digital agency's project management with Basecamp, leading to streamlined workflows, improved collaboration, and ultimately, more successful project outcomes.